Go ahead.
Hello.
Hello.
My name is Emily.
My name is Heather. And this violet is for... this violet is for... this video is for...
Fiona and Violet.
Fiona and Violet. Emily wanted to say hi.
Hi.
And also she wanted to... mail letters to you. And also on this video she wanted to... sing a song for you, for Fiona and Violet. So what song are you going to sing?
I don't know.
What's the song that you really like to sing?
I don't know.
Do you know... Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star? Yeah, you can sing that one.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Is that the end?
Yeah.
Yay, Emily. Good singing. Awesome. So, say goodbye now?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, Fiona. Bye, Violet. We hope you're having a good day.
Yeah. Bye, Fiona. You're my niece. Bye. You're my